What if one of the most powerful tools for beating your competitors isn't your product, your marketing, or even your pricing, but your intellectual property strategy? Many businesses focus on building great products and growing their market share, but the companies that truly stand out often have something else working behind the scenes: a well-developed intellectual property, or IP strategy. Intellectual property includes assets like patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. These assets protect the innovations, brands, and creative work that make a business unique. But simply owning intellectual property isn't enough. To gain a real competitive advantage, businesses need to use IP strategically. An effective IP strategy allows companies to protect their innovations while strengthening their position in the marketplace. By securing patents for new technologies or processes, businesses can prevent competitors from copying or using those innovations without permission. This protection allows companies to capitalize on the value of their inventions fully. Trademarks also play an important role in a strong IP strategy. A recognizable brand name, logo, or slogan helps customers distinguish one business from another. When properly protected, trademarks help build brand recognition and trust, while preventing others from using similar marks that could confuse consumers. For example, companies may license their intellectual property to other businesses. Licensing allows a company to generate revenue from its innovations without having to manufacture or distribute the product itself. This approach can expand the reach of a technology or brand while creating new income streams. Strategic use of intellectual property can also help businesses enter new markets. When companies hold strong patent portfolios or valuable trademarks, they may gain leverage in negotiations, partnerships, or joint ventures. This advantage can open doors to new opportunities that may not otherwise be available. Another key aspect of an IP strategy is identifying and protecting valuable assets early. Many companies overlook intellectual property in the early stages of growth. However, recognizing which innovations or brand elements are worth protecting can make a significant difference in long-term success. By building a thoughtful IP strategy, businesses can safeguard their ideas while creating barriers for competitors. Strong intellectual property rights can discourage others from entering the same space or attempting to copy a company's unique products or technologies. At the same time, managing intellectual property effectively requires ongoing attention. Businesses must monitor the marketplace, enforce their rights when necessary, and continue developing new innovations to stay ahead of competitors. Companies that actively manage and expand their IP portfolios often position themselves as leaders within their industries. Their intellectual property becomes a powerful asset that supports growth, innovation, and long-term value. Ultimately, intellectual property is more than just a legal formality. When used strategically, it becomes a critical business tool that helps companies protect their innovations, strengthen their brand, and maintain a competitive edge in the marketplace. If your business wants to unlock the full potential of its intellectual property, working with experienced IP professionals can help you build a strategy that protects your ideas and positions your company for long-term success. Contact Berkeley Law and Technology Group today to learn how a strong intellectual property strategy can help your business gain the competitive advantage it deserves.